Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Knothole Gang. We're atop of the Mickey and Friends parking structure looking at the backside of Galaxy's Edge, Rise of the Resistance. And look at that, you guys. That is a completed backstage area for Rise of the Resistance. They've cleaned everything up. They finished up the backside of the rock work there. It looks weird. I don't know what else I would have expected, though. But it doesn't look like they've got anything left to do back here. I don't see any more scaffolding. I don't see any more staging of other areas. Those trees look like they're going to be permanent. Meanwhile, as we peruse the top of the Rise of the Resistance building, I don't see any more scaffolding back here either. It looks to me like they have finished up. And that, you guys, constitutes the end of our updates of Galaxy's Edge. I rode on the Mark Twain last week, found nothing. I didn't even upload the video, found nothing. And then that update right there, that is the last thing that we've seen them complete. The last thing we're going to see them complete from anywhere in the park. I've checked everywhere, double checked. There's nothing left to do here but to wait the final few weeks before the park opens, or before the land opens. So I guess I felt like it was appropriate that I take a minute to talk to you guys directly and say, that's it, guys. That's the end of our Galaxy's Edge updates. This is the last time you'll be hearing from me with regard to anything going on and or at Galaxy's Edge. And I wanted to say thank you very much for joining me. I don't even know how many episodes it says as I film this, 300 something. Is it 300? No. It's been 3 years. Oh my God. 3 years and 4 months. 4 a week. I don't even know what the math is on that at the moment. It's been a lot, and what, 150? It's been a lot. So thank you very much. I just, for those of you, there are some of you who have been here since the very beginning, since the very first show, and we stood out here. This is where it all began, right here where I'm standing. This is where it all began, and it's where it's going to end tonight. So thank you. It's a short episode, short Knothole Gang, because that's all there is, and then me babbling on. I can't even get the words out right now because I'm kind of emotional. It's been a long journey. We got just these last few weeks to go. As I mentioned, thank you guys very much for hanging with me this whole time. And the good news is, and I guess now is a good time to say it, the good news is that not only do we get to enjoy this land, but I did get confirmed that I do have, I'm going to the press preview. I mean, I'm going to lose it now. I cried when I got the email, the invite, and I'll be there a couple days prior to the opening on the 31st, and I don't know what they're going to let me do. If anything, I may just get to look at it. There's probably going to be some kind of embargo, but I don't care, because I get to go and enjoy it with my own eyes, to quote Anakin Skywalker. So thanks a lot, guys, for hanging out with me. And we're going to keep going on the Disneyland construction videos. I'm just going to go on forever, I'm sure, because it'll never be finished. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us, and respect.